The Inflation Reduction Act won't just bring down families' everyday costs, it will bring down the deficit by more than $300 billion, because every cent of this bill is paid for by closing loopholes used by enormous corporations. There is no reason a company making $1 billion profit should pay a smaller tax rate than a mom-and-pop shop in Washington State or a firefighter or a teacher in Walla Walla, Washington. So Democrats won't let it fly any longer. Those big billion-dollar companies, they're going to pay no less than the same 15% in taxes that many of our small businesses already pay. Those stock buyback schemes that line the pockets of corporate executives and Wall Street investors but do nothing for working families, they're going to be taxed so companies pay their fair share. And as for everyday Americans, they won't see their taxes go up 1 penny.